Hi guys, today I'll show you how to solve the issue of 3D prints not sticking to bed. First, click on the Settings button in the top menu. Click on the Configure Settings Visibility button. In the opened window, choose the first layer height and first layer width under the Quality section. Then go to Materials section and select the first layer printing temperature. Finally, go to Speed section and choose the first layer printing speed. Now you can close this window. Next, open the print settings. Modify the first layer height to 0.3. Set the first layer width to 150%. Lower the first layer printing temperature to 220. And finally, set the first layer printing speed to 18. That's it. Your print should now adhere well to bed. Thanks for watching.